Who says old-school blades are just for display cases? Some of the wildest, most legendary knives from way back are still kicking, and you can actually buy them today. From rugged survival icons to quirky classics, these knives prove that sometimes the old ways really are the best. Here are 10 crazy old knives that can still save your skin in the great outdoors. First up, we have the beast, the legend, the K-Bar Becker BK9 Combat Bowie. This isn't just a knife, it's practically a portable survival kit in itself. This 9-inch blade is a modern take on the classic Bowie, built for serious work. Its sheer size and robust construction make it an absolute powerhouse for chopping, batoning wood, and even digging. The 1095 Crowvan steel, a favorite among serious outdoorsmen, ensures exceptional toughness and edge retention, meaning it can take a beating and keep on performing when you need it most. Imagine being deep in the wilderness, needing to build a shelter or process firewood. The BK9 excels at these heavy-duty tasks, saving you precious energy. The ergonomic ultra-mid handle offers a secure and comfortable grip even in wet or cold conditions, giving you confidence in every swing. Those who understand the demands of true wilderness survival recognize the BK9 as an indispensable tool, a reliable partner that can truly make the difference when the stakes are high. It's a knife that doesn't just survive, it thrives in the toughest environments. Next on our list is a knife that punches way above its weight class, the Morakniv Companion S. Morakniv has a long-standing reputation for producing incredibly reliable and affordable knives, and the Companion S is a perfect example of their expertise. Don't let its modest price tag fool you. This knife is a workhorse, a huge advantage in damp outdoor environments, making it ideal for everything from fishing to food prep. The razor-sharp Scandinavian grind is renowned for its ease of sharpening and incredible cutting performance. Its lightweight and compact design make it a joy to carry, whether it's clipped to your pack or tucked into your pocket. The rubberized ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. This knife embodies the principle of less is more, offering essential functionality without any unnecessary frills. It's a favorite among hikers, campers, and bushcrafters who appreciate a dependable tool that won't let them down. For anyone starting their outdoor journey or looking for an incredibly reliable backup blade, the Morakniv Companion S is an almost unbeatable choice, a testament to timeless design and practical utility. Coming in at number 3, we have a true American classic, the Buck Knives 112 Folding Hunter. This knife isn't just old, it's iconic, a smaller, more nimble sibling to the famous Buck 110. Its distinctive brass bolsters and diamond wood handle scales give it a timeless aesthetic, making it as much a piece of art as it is a tool. But beneath its classic looks lies serious functionality. The clip-point blade, typically made from 420HC stainless steel, is renowned for its excellent edge retention and ease of resharpening, making it practical for field dressing game, preparing kindling, or everyday utility tasks. This robust locking system ensures that the blade won't accidentally close during use, a critical safety feature in a survival situation. It's a knife that feels substantial in the hand, giving you confidence in its ability to handle tough jobs. The Buck 112 isn't just a knife, it's a legacy, a design that has proven its worth for generations and continues to be a go-to choice for those who value tradition, durability, and a knife that simply gets the job done. Next up, let's talk about the Gerber Gear Terracraft. It's built for the kind of rigorous outdoor use that demands reliability and performance. Crafted from CPM S35VN steel, the Terracraft offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. This means it holds a keen edge through extensive use, and can withstand harsh elements without rusting, crucial for sustained outdoor exposure. The full-tank construction ensures maximum strength, allowing you to confidently tackle demanding tasks like batoning wood or processing game without fear of failure. The handle is a standout feature, typically made from G10 or machined aluminum, providing an incredibly secure and comfortable grip in all conditions, even when wet or muddy. Its ergonomic contours are designed for extended use, reducing hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. The Terracraft often comes with a multi-mount sheath system, offering versatile carrying options, from belt carry to pack attachment, ensuring it's always accessible when you need it. This knife isn't just about utility, it's about confidence. It's a tool that feels incredibly capable in hand, ready to face whatever the wilderness throws your way. For those who appreciate a modern interpretation of a timeless survival tool, blending high-performance materials with a practical, rugged design, the Terracraft is an excellent choice. At number 5, we have a knife that combines cutting-edge performance with robust reliability, the Benchmade Auto Presidio II. This automatic opening knife features a powerful spring mechanism that deploys the blade with satisfying speed and authority, making it ideal for situations where quick, one-handed access is critical. Think emergency situations or tasks where your other hand is occupied. The blade is often crafted from CPM stainless steel, ensuring it stays sharp and reliable even after extensive use in challenging environments. The handle, typically made from machined aluminum or grivery, not only is incredibly strong, but also textured to provide an exceptionally secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or gloved hands. The deep carry pocket clip allows for discreet and secure carry, making it an excellent everyday carry option that can transition seamlessly into a survival role. Its robust build quality and advanced materials ensure that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor life. The Benchmade Auto Presidio II is more than just a quick opening knife. It's a testament to modern engineering applied to the core needs of survival, offering reliability, speed, and precision in a compact, durable package.
Cold steel has always been known for pushing the boundaries of strength and cutting performance, and the Voyager series, particularly the Tanto Serrated version, embodies this philosophy. While the overall Voyager design has evolved, its core tenets of robust construction and aggressive cutting power remain, making it an enduring choice for survival. The Tanto blade shape is incredibly strong, featuring a reinforced tip that excels at piercing and handles demanding tasks without fear of breakage, a critical feature in a survival scenario. What truly sets this particular Voyager apart for survival is its serrated edge. Imagine needing to quickly cut through a tangled fishing net or processing thick paracord. The serrations bite right in, saving time and effort. The GFN handle is practically indestructible and provides an exceptionally secure and comfortable grip even when wet or cold, ensuring you maintain control during strenuous activities. Cold Steel's triad lock mechanism is legendary for its strength, boasting incredible resistance to impact and accidental closure, giving you unwavering confidence in the knife's ability to handle the toughest jobs. Next up, a truly innovative and incredibly practical blade for water-based survival, the Morakniv floating knife. Its most remarkable feature, as the name suggests, is its ability to float. This means if you drop it while fishing, kayaking, or navigating a river, it won't sink to the bottom, a huge advantage and potential lifesaver in aquatic scenarios. The blade is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring excellent corrosion resistance against fresh and salt water. And it often features a serrated section, perfect for cutting ropes, nets, or even tough aquatic vegetation. The bright, high-visibility orange handle isn't just for aesthetics. It makes the knife incredibly easy to spot if it does go overboard, further increasing your chances of retrieval. The core of the handle is typically made from cork, giving it its buoyant property, while still providing a surprisingly comfortable and secure grip. This knife isn't about heavy-duty chopping, but rather precise, reliable cutting and emergency utility in and around water. For anyone spending time near lakes, rivers, or the ocean, the Morakniv floating knife is an indispensable piece of gear, offering peace of mind and essential functionality that no other knife on our list can match in its specific niche. Coming in at number 8 is a knife that combines tactical precision with rugged durability, HOGUE EX02. This isn't just a pretty face, it's a hard-use folder built to withstand extreme conditions. The blade is typically made from premium steel, known for its excellent balance of edge retention and toughness, making it reliable for a wide range of survival tasks. The defining feature of the EX02 is its G10 or aluminum handle, which is not only incredibly strong and lightweight, but also meticulously textured to provide an unyielding grip even in the most adverse weather conditions, or when your hands are wet or gloved. This ergonomic design ensures confident handling during demanding operations. The robust liner lock or frame lock mechanism provides vault-like security. Every aspect of the EX02 speaks to its tactical heritage and its suitability for serious outdoor and survival use, where reliability under pressure is paramount. It's a knife that feels like an extension of your hand, ready to tackle any challenge, embodying the fusion of precision manufacturing and real-world functionality. This knife is a testament to how modern engineering can create a truly outstanding survival tool. The blade, often crafted from premium steels like Nitro V, offers an excellent balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening, qualities crucial for a survival knife that needs to perform consistently. The star of the show is undoubtedly the super lock mechanism. This robust and intuitive lock provides unparalleled security, making the knife feel like a fixed blade when deployed, yet it's incredibly easy to operate with one hand. This rapid and secure deployment is a significant advantage in emergency situations, where time and dexterity are critical. The handle, typically made from G10, is not only incredibly lightweight and incredibly strong, but also meticulously contoured to provide an exceptionally comfortable and secure grip, even during prolonged use or in adverse conditions. Its unique design and high-quality materials ensure it can withstand the rigors of outdoor life, making it a reliable companion for camping, bushcraft, and general wilderness survival. The CIVIVI Vision FG is a brilliant example of how innovative design can create a truly functional and highly dependable tool that earns its place among more traditional survival knives. Finally, at number 10, we have a knife that exemplifies tactical excellence and robust Italian craftsmanship, the Extrema ratio Caimano Nero. This isn't just a knife, it's a precision instrument built for the harshest environments. Its unique design, often featuring a partial serration, allows it to excel at both fine-cutting tasks and aggressively slicing through ropes or tough materials. The handle, often made from forprene, provides an incredibly secure and comfortable grip even when wet or cold, and is designed for tactical control and durability. What makes the Caimano Nero crazy old knife in spirit is its uncompromising, purpose-driven design. While the model itself might be contemporary, its lineage comes from a brand deeply rooted in creating tools for absolute reliability in life or death scenarios. It often includes features like a glass breaker or lanyard hole, further enhancing its utility in a survival context. Every aspect of the Caimano Nero is meticulously engineered for maximum performance and durability under pressure, making it an ultimate choice
for those who demand the absolute best in a tactical survival folder. A knife that feels invincible in hand and performs flawlessly when it matters most. And there you have it. Each of these blades, in its own unique way, has proven its mettle over time, offering reliability and performance that modern designs often strive to emulate. Whether you prefer the brute force of a large Bowie, the humble efficiency of a Mora, there's a timeless option out there for every adventurer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Top Outdoor Zone for more gear reviews and survival tips.